Munini wa RAIS ni akiaria RIGATHI Gachagua entereche Mombasa nethirite akioneka kumuneria bo kathane ndirwanyirwa nthikiri niro National Intelligence Service kana NIS gitano kaune ni Gachagua nonekete muno kutharikira Nordin Haji uranwe mwerekire munene warwanyirwa akiwa nwatumite kinya kwetha kwina maandamano nikiraugite atamenyethia RAIS ukunie untubura bukwithwa kana maandamano erethirite akibango na kuoneka nethirite kinya akioneka kwendikithia Nordin Haji kuchiebelia
in yesterday's protests across the country.
Munini wa RAIS RIGATHI Gachagua na umirete werune na kuolota rwangiro mabisa bandikiri nibo National Intelligence Service kana NIS nekira kwithira akiwa ni rwo rwithirite rukiwitha kia RAIS RUTO.
How did we get here? We were just elected the other day as a very popular government. Where did the rain begin to beat us?
Gachagua akioneka kutetera kinya RAIS akiwa ringimenya Akenya bakandamana bu kadhaa na kuriana na rwario rwa kigena rwa 2024 manto yane ndi yate kinya uyarethirite yakinyete.
The president has now agreed that we need to listen to the people. And I sympathize with my boss, President William Ruto, because this information was not available to him. I know President William Ruto. Had he known 2 months ago that the people of Kenya did not want anything to do with the Finance Bill 2024, he would not have asked his parliamentary party to push it through.
Akiaria rintereche Mombasa Gachagua nolotote werune munini wa NIS Nordin Haji akiwa nwe wa kolota akiendekithia kinya ichebelietine nonto atethirite akimenyetha kia RAIS buramanto yathuki.
We have a dysfunctional National Intelligence Service that has exposed the president, the government, and the people of Kenya. Had the National Intelligence Service briefed the president 2 months ago about how the people of Kenya feel about the Finance Bill 2024, so many Kenyans would not have died. Property would not have been destroyed. Offices would not have been touched. There would have been no mayhem. But they slept on the job.
Nyontongelete na kuana menyethetu kinya maabisa ba politi batirethirite nende bakiamu kairo menyo bomandamano yara yabuthethwe.
Officers of the National Police Service have told me in confidence they did not get advance intelligence briefs about the magnitude of the protest. Senior officers have told me in confidence they did not have an advance intelligence brief about the intensity of the protest so that they prepare in advance.
Munini wa RAIS augite Nordin Haji no wakolota burugu nonto kinyapa kubuta mabisa nkabokire NIS rirethire nende echalawa ya munene wo agita na mbere na kuwa kinyara maingi atithira ndigurune ya Kenya.
When he was appointed to the office of the Director General because of inferiority complex, he chased away all the people who were senior to him when he was in the service, therefore crippling the capacity of that service and making it dysfunctional, leaving a shell under a clueless Director General who has no capacity to run the organization. He has no capacity. He is out of the country most of the time on business trips. The country is on his own.
Gachagua nendi awito Nordin Haji na batire kinya witikiria na achebelia wewe ngwetine kiu na kedra nindi kikine kairwa muntongi.
I want to say that Nordin Haji must take responsibility for the deaths that occurred. He must take responsibility for the mayhem. He must take responsibility for failing President William Ruto. He must take responsibility for failing the government of the Republic of Kenya. He must take responsibility for failing the Kenyan nation by not doing his job and advising correctly. And he must do the honorable thing, not just take responsibility, but resign from that office.
Gachagua uraririe ndeka inka inyuma ya RAIS kwithira kirita rwariro kie na thirite kinya kiura kia nende ntukimbithi kwithira bakirekana na maandamano yau nonto RAIS narikiti kwithira ahika kwa ugambi bo.
My children, Kevin and Keith, are of the same generation Z. I want to put myself in the shoes of parents who have lost their young children and appreciate the pain. I want to appeal to Generation Z to call off the protests for tomorrow, because their cry has been heard by the president. The president has accepted that there was an issue, there was a disconnect, and the president has done the right thing. And I think it's only fair that we call off the protest so that we don't have further loss of lives.